then you fall back. Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no.
Hi you all, I am iamSimoneC. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today you all, we have a slay, okay? Do you see these Hollywood curls, this bounce, this color? You all look at it, okay? This unit is from the company Ishow Beauty Hair. I would love to thank them so much for sending me this gorgeous unit and for sponsoring today's video. This is their color P427 Highlights Honey Blonde unit. It is a 4x4 lace closure, 26 inches long and 180% density. If you all are interested to see how I got this gorgeous install today, okay baby, from start to finish, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
Broken future. All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Wasted loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no
Alright y'all, so we are done curling and setting everything, so let's see what we have. Wow, you all, look at these baby hairs, look at the lace install. Everything looks so good, you all. Wow, I'm blown away. So let's take out the curls now also and see our bombshell kind of look. Wow, you all, just look at these curls. They're so fluffy, so bouncy. I am absolutely loving this hair right now, okay, and this look. So to finish off the look, as always, I like to go back into my Ruby Kisses cream foundation and like to go on the darker side of mix with a little bit of the light and add that to the front of the lace. And then taking a bigger brush, I just like to blend that all in. So it's nice and seamless, and boom, we have a look, we have a style, you all, right outside of the box. Can you all believe it? Can you believe that you received this gorgeous install and look right outside of the box, you all? You don't have to do the most, no bleach the knots, no washing the hair, like nothing, and you have a style. This unit is so versatile. You can like push all your hair back, wear it in like a half up, half down, a ponytail style, you all, like the possibilities are endless, and I just love this unit today. Of course, I can always tell you all your units, the more you play with it, the bigger the hair gets, so that's what we see here, and I actually like how this is looking. It's giving me very like Hollywood-esque type of glam and style. We're gonna bump the front really quick. Sometimes I like that bump look right here in the front. It just gives like the hair and the look like so much volume. I'm just gonna attempt to cut some layers here in the front. And then I'm gonna go into my silicone mix hair polisher and just add some of that to the hair. And then I'm gonna go back in and add a little bit of curls to the front here where I cut. Again, I am super tall. I am 5'9", and the 26-inch is perfect. Look at the length, you all. I just love it. It is stretched all the way down here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm loving this length on me. The color is also pretty on my melanin skin. It is perfect for fall as well, okay? This color is perfect for the fall season. These honey browns and honey blondes and these highlights is just so, so cute, okay? Seriously, you all, you cannot tell that this is a closure wig. Look how perfect it is laying. Look at the goodness, okay? So yes, y'all, that completes today's hair install and today's unit by the company Ishow Beauty Hair. I would love to thank them so much for sending me this gorgeous unit and for sponsoring today's video. If you are interested in this exact unit, I'll be sure to leave it down below in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience, as well as all the other products that I use in today's install as well. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below to the conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.